In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video into your Mailchimp emails. We all know that video content can significantly boost engagement and conversion rates. So let's dive into how you can effortlessly add videos to your Mailchimp campaigns to captivate your audience more effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Accessing your Mailchimp account. You'll want to navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email. It's important to ensure you're entering the credentials you used when you initially set up your Mailchimp account. Once you've inputted this information, the next step is to type in your password. Make sure you're careful here. Passwords are case sensitive, and even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in. After you've successfully entered your password, it's time to hit that login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is the control panel where all the magic happens, from managing your email lists to analyzing campaign performance. Once you're in, navigate to the home page of Mailchimp, where you will find various options. Look for and click on the campaigns section. This area is where you design, manage, and send out your email campaigns. It's the heart of your email marketing efforts. Now, you're likely wondering where the video embedding part comes into play, right? Hang tight, we're getting there. After clicking on campaigns, take a moment to scan through your existing campaigns. You'll want to select a campaign you'd like to edit or create a new one if that's more applicable to your current needs. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're assuming you've already got a campaign in mind. Once you've selected your campaign, you will see an option to Edit Design. Clicking on this will take you to the editor mode, where you can add content including texts, images, and yes, videos to your email. Within the editor, navigate to the content block options. Specifically, look for the option that allows you to drag and drop a video into your email. This tool is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy even for beginners to add multimedia elements to their campaigns. Click on this video content block and drag it to where you want the video to appear within your email layout. Now, for the crucial part, actually embedding the video. After you've placed the video content block in your desired location, you'll be prompted to paste a video URL. This is where you need to have your video link ready. If your video is hosted on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, simply copy the URL from the browser or the share option on these platforms and paste it into the designated field in Mailchimp. Boom! Just like that, you've embedded a video into your email campaign. It's worth noting that Mailchimp doesn't directly embed the video in a way that it plays inside the email. Instead, it creates an attractive thumbnail image that, when clicked by recipients, directs them to the video on the hosting platform. This is actually a clever workaround since direct video playback is not widely supported across email clients and can increase the email's load time, potentially hampering your user's experience. Before you rush to send out your newly designed campaign, always remember to preview and test your email. This step is critical to ensure everything looks as it should and that the video link works correctly, leading the recipient to the video without any hiccups. Adding a video to your Mailchimp email campaigns is a straightforward process that can significantly elevate the quality of your content. By following these steps, you can create more engaging, dynamic, and captivating emails that stand out in your subscribers' inbox. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to embedding a video in your Mailchimp email campaigns. Remember, the key to a successful email campaign is not just the content itself, but how you present that content. Video can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal, so use it wisely to enhance your message and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Happy emailing!